Hey guys, it's April. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys what is in my Miss to Mrs. box number 8. This is a bridal subscription box. I have really enjoyed receiving these throughout like the time period of my engagement. When I subscribed to these, I was really excited to see like what came in each box, and honestly, like these boxes have made my engagement more exciting, especially during some of like the more stressful times. There is actually a lot of stress that goes into wedding planning. I really didn't think that I was gonna stress out that much, just because like I didn't necessarily like care about every single little detail. But surprisingly, like it just can get like really stressful. So like having these boxes every month was like, honestly, like it made it so much more enjoyable, just because it was kind of like a reminder to just kind of sit back, chillax, like enjoy my engagement and stuff like that. So in today's video, I did wear my girlfriend to fiance shirt. I thought this was kind of cute for today's video. And then I have my matching hair tie. I love these hair ties, you guys. I get them on Amazon. They're by L. Erickson. I have a video on them if you guys are interested. This is my last box. It's kind of bittersweet. But let's just see what's inside, because this box has a lot of awesome goodies in here. Per usual, when you first open it up, it has all the Miss to Mrs. Tissue paper and then a little sticker on it that says thank you. Super cute. I love that a lot of their items have said Miss to Mrs. on it in some way or another. So it kind of makes you feel better knowing that you're getting like the value for what you're paying every month. So this is like a little cheat sheet of like what's inside. Spoiler alert. And then usually at the bottom it'll tell you about the next box, and sometimes in the past it has told me like how to obtain a subscription box faster, like if you need like a certain one on time for something, and how to contact customer service, or how to extend your subscription if you only signed up for like 1 month or something. So yeah, this is like the little cheat sheet. This is the name change checklist, and honestly, oh my gosh, you guys, there are so many things that you have to change your name on. I didn't even realize, like, I'm like really stressed about this. So this will be a lot of fun, I'm sure. But anyways, and then this is the honeymoon packing checklist, which will definitely come in handy, because I like to make sure that I have everything when I'm going on trips, because it's like my biggest pet peeve when I forget something like so simple. Like simple as like a toothbrush, and then I have to go out and buy one for like $6 at like the hotel, what's it called? There's always like a little store, but they're always like super overpriced, and I'm like, you guys, like it's a toothbrush, like $6, really, you know? So anyways, this will come in handy. So the first item I got is this hat, and kind of came with a free hair tie. And this hat is so cute, you guys. It says happily ever after, and this is just like a really cute little like sun hat. I'm so excited to wear this on our honeymoon. I think that this hat is like just so cute and adorable. I'm literally obsessed with it. Up next, I got this happily ever after multi-wear sarong. It says use it as a swimsuit cover-up, shawl, scarf, skirt, beach dress, or even a beach blanket. And you guys, this thing is like so incredible. Like, first of all, it feels so soft, but it's like really like there's so much going on. So part of it, I hope you guys can see this, but there's like boats, and then it kind of goes into like an ombre of purple to yellow, maybe like some type of sunset. So you could literally, like it says on the little tag, like use this for anything. So this will be a lot of fun to like wear. I'm definitely excited to use that. I thought that was like a really cool, like unique item, and also like a timeless item that you could still use way after the honeymoon. Up next, I got these tube socks that say just married on them. It says knee-high tube socks. So that's a little tag, and this is what they look like. They are just the cutest thing ever, you guys. These are so cute. I'm so excited to wear these. They are so adorable. And you know, the fall is coming up, so it'll be fun to wear these on the honeymoon, because I'm assuming it'll be a little bit cold depending on the weather, and winter's coming up too, so I'll definitely get some good use out of these, which I'm really excited about. Up next, this is an item that I think Brian is gonna go crazy over. This is a waterproof cell phone holder. So it's like a case for your cell phone, and you could put it underwater and it won't get damaged, which is really cool. And what I loved is that the lanyard on here says Miss to Mrs. all over it in like a gold writing, and I thought that was just like so cute and fun. and super adorable too, so I'm really excited to try this out. This might be my favorite item. It also came with this little like string backpack, and it says Wanderlust on it, and it's like a very beautiful blue color with like flamingos all over it, and the hibiscus flower. It's just so cute and pretty, and it honestly feels like really good quality. And I love that the front has like a zipper pouch for like things like your cell phone, lip gloss, camera, whatever have you that you like want to put in there. I just think it's like super helpful. And then the very last item, you guys, this is so cute. This is a blow up flamingo drink holder. It is so cute, so you can put this like in the pool and have your drink floating around right next to you, so that you don't spill it. And I just think that this was like a really like fun / funny item to add into the box. And then there was one more item in here that I didn't think was appropriate because I am a family-friendly channel. It was a little door hanger, and it said some things on it. In case you guys were wondering what the item was, I was able to tell you. In the last video, I wasn't able to tell you what those items were. It was just a little awkward. Again, I am a family-friendly channel, so I'm not really gonna like promote that stuff out there. But I love this box. This box was probably one of my favorites. I think the first box was like my most favorite because it was like right when we got engaged, and it was just like so exciting to open up, and I could use that stuff like all throughout my engagement. I've been using the tumbler cup since I got it that says bride to be on it, and I wear that gold necklace all the time. And then this box I think is just like so exciting and cute because it's like the last box, and it's like honeymoon time, and it's just so exciting, and I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to get married. And I would highly recommend these boxes if you guys are getting engaged, or if you guys have a friend or family member who's getting engaged and you're trying to think of a good gift idea. It's an amazing gift idea. I love getting these boxes every single month. They were so much fun to open. If you guys want a little discount code, I used the code for the first box. It's called box 30, capital letters for box and then the number 30. That will get you 30% off your first box. All the other boxes after that I think are like, how much are they? I think they were like $36 for each box or something like that, like after taxes and everything, 36 or 37. But yeah, if you want to get 30% off your first box, then just use that code. But yeah, these boxes had so many amazing items in it, and like I said, it made the engagement that much more fun and enjoyable. And it just, again, if you guys are like a person like me who gets like really stressed out with like planning big weddings and parties and things like this is an awesome reminder, so that every month you remember to take a minute, relax, and enjoy your engagement, because in the end that's all that matters, is that you're marrying the person that you love, and that's what matters to me the most, obviously. And so these boxes just to kind of help like remind me, you know, like to take a minute, take it in, and just enjoy this entire engagement season. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day. Bye!